in this part of our training, we want to train the coloring of these spaces. For this, from the Analyze tab, Color Fill Legend tool, and select it. You can see something like this, and you just click from the side you want. It asks what is your space type. I select spaces and color scheme, schema 1. Easily you can see this, and painting or coloring the spaces easily are available here. And you can change if you want. Click one time and use edit scheme. You can see the window like this, and you can edit the values if you want. And what is your basis of coloring? All the parameters are available here, based on actual exhaust airflow, actual supply airflow. Actual will be available if you add hatches for supply, return or exhaust, and other parts. Because we done calculations for loads, so I can select calculated heating load as a base. You can see this prompt. Colors are not preserved when changing which parameter is colored. Color will change, as you can see. So zones are related to colors. I can change the title. Heating load. I select the schema 1, copy, Control V, so the name has been changed. I can duplicate this. For example, my required CFM or airflow, anything you want. Supply airflow is better choice. For supply airflow, I select it and OK. Heating and supply. I select heating load. OK. Like this. You can see the values here. You can add header for this from the properties window, edit type, graphics, settings, which you can change. They are defaults, background, opaque, show title, check this box, which help me to see title, and you can change the font size and title text. I change the title text to Times New Roman, and make it bold and italic. Nice. They are easy. I want to add another parameter here. Edit scheme, edit color scheme, supplier flow. They sorted by value. I select by range. So you can change the values and plus and add another one from which amount to which value. For example, I type 10, 25, and add 35, 45. They are related to by range option. Caption is shown here, visible. If you can change the color, which color do you want? For example, for 10 CFM, 45 to 55. Apply, OK. Like this. Because we didn't select them for all the spaces, you can see same color for all of them. As an exercise, you can change the color for each space. And I copy this to see the file like this. This is for heating for level 1. And I go to level 2. Two options which we defined are available here. I use supply airflow. You can change the title. Edit. Duplicate it. I rename it to test. OK. Edit. We have to change the name. Control C, apply. OK. Select, edit. OK. Like this. We consider supply and calculate it, and also heating. As an exercise, you can do cooling and other parameters which are available. This lesson will continue.